If you want to fix two wooden beams together at an angle, you could start by carving a groove into one and shaping the other into a protruding tongue. The two lock neatly in place, but under sideways tension, they'll eventually slip apart. That's why ancient carpenters came up with a smarter solution. They cut the joint into a trapezoid, a shape like a swallow's tail. The more you pull, the tighter it locks. This is the famous dovetail joint. Now, imagine arranging these joints vertically, then using a special headpiece, a timber carved with sockets, to slot both the crossbeam and the slanted posts inside. What you get is an H-shaped wooden arch frame. And if you place that frame across a river, you have the skeleton of a wooden bridge. But wait, there's a problem. The structure isn't strong enough to resist wind. So the builders took 5 shorter logs, threaded them between the gaps of the arch, and locked them together with joints, forming a pentagonal arch, like 2 hands clasping their fingers tightly together. Still, sideways pressure could make the arch sway. The solution: add upright general posts on both sides. Brace them with crossing beams, so that sideways forces are transformed into axial pressure, preventing the whole frame from buckling. And with diagonal frog leg braces, the bridge becomes even more stable. Next, lay planks across the top. Raise 4 main posts and 9 beams. Crown it with a gabled roof, tiled with double layers of green ceramic. Now the bridge not only carries people across, but also shelters them from wind, rain, and summer heat, for extra durability. The sides were covered with overlapping weatherboards to keep out rainwater. Builders even carved fan-shaped and peach-shaped windows, not just to reduce wind resistance and let in light, but also so travelers could stop and enjoy the view. And with that, congratulations, you've just invented the wooden arch-covered bridge. Every surviving ancient bridge in Langsea is a masterpiece of both engineering and aesthetics. They were not only vital transport hubs, linking villages and trade routes, but also living stages for rituals, festivals, and the everyday poetry of human life.